In the digital transformation, or DX for short economy, time is of the essence. Organizations are racing to digitally transform themselves and reap the benefits and competitive advantage brought about by digitalization. We have seen the landscape change remarkably in the last few years. While enterprises have made progress in DX since 2015, when our research in this area first began, 59% of organizations globally remain at the lower end of the DX maturity scale. Every DX journey starts with the best intentions and clear objectives. So what gets in the way? First, outdated or non-existent measurement. Success metrics and key performance indicators, or KPIs, must change as requirements change. Digital businesses need new sets of metrics to understand progress and guide investment. Second, siloed DX initiatives. A lack of coordination across business functions impairs an organization's ability to maximize potential and to move quickly. This requires an effective DX leadership structure and high-performing team with enterprise-wide digital native operating model in place. Third reason would be tactical plans. Many organizations adopt technology-led use cases without clarity on how these use cases can move their DX needle. This calls for use case prioritization journey mapping that ties to the organization's current and future markets. Number 4. Limited expertise. Digitalization calls for a new set of capabilities and leadership techniques that organizations find difficult to cultivate. Traditional ways of talent sourcing, training, and sharing expertise must change. This calls for building DX capabilities that embodies 5 key elements of process, talent, data, governance, and technology. Finally, innovation silos. Most organizations largely focus on driving innovative ideas. They do not place a high emphasis on converting those ideas into commercialization. This requires a DX platform as the future technology architecture that accelerates DX initiatives for the enterprise, enabling the rapid creation of externally facing digital products, services, and experiences while aggressively modernizing the internal IT environment towards an intelligent core in parallel.